What's up, folks? Today's Monday, 17th of August, 2009. Welcome to the video, guys. And got a interesting morning. Um, Pretty much what I see in the news is the stocks, well, the markets basically are set to plunge. That's what they're saying. And that's what it looks like. Pre-market on the SPY currently down 1.6%. We broke down through the $100 mark on the SPYs. So that's it's going to be a key point. Well, it was a key point. And we pretty much, if you look at the daily, pretty much broke down through the support area. Excuse me. I believe we're probably going to open up somewhere around the support area because there isn't much of any other news that's really gonna bring the market lower. Just the stuff that came out is it's pretty much already done its damage. So let's see how ugly it can get, more or less. And looking at the pre-market gainers, losers on Seeking Alpha, and we got a lot of stuff in the red. See, this is the one I'm concentrating on is IDCC. It's down 27%, and I'm looking to get a nice block in the morning. Looking for a spike or a bounce, something of that sort. Dead cat bounce, and I'm probably gonna make most of my money on this trade right here. So anyway, I'll be back when the market opens. Going to continue building a watch list as I see some crap coming out. So I'll be back. By the way, guys, this chart is showing pre-market action. I've been looking at that a ton lately to see what's going on, where the support areas are, and it looks to me here like it's kind of based out right here. Sold off, got this spike, but it's not really backed up by too much of the volume. So I think it's just like a game right there. We'll see what happens on this one. I'm not gonna jump into anything too quickly, but this does look good for some sort of bounce, maybe up to this 23 level. We'll see. Anyway, back on pause and be back when the market opens. Alright, guys, market's about to open up, and gap down on the SPY. I'm gonna sit on my hands a little bit before I get in this IDCC. Yeah, so let's see what happens, guys. I hope to come back with some good trades. I just got in the IDCC, just 1,000 shares, and I don't like my entry too much here. But we're gonna let this ride a bit, see what kind of pop we get. Alright, just took mine off the table, made 410 on there. So this is a quick and easy play, and really wanted to get more shares on this. I just knew it was gonna pop. Chickened out a little bit, but easy money right there. So on to the next one. I just went 2,000 shares long on this lows. I'm gonna try to scalp it here. Get out in the in the 80s. I think this moving average is gonna hold us back a bit. Alright, here we go. It's a 1 minute chart, by the way, guys. I don't really want to see this go red here. How much it is. You just have to take a small profit here. Alright, gonna go and pause a bit. It looks like this thing's ready to pop here. So got my finger on the trigger. I really want to see it get into those 80s. We're probably never gonna see that. Alright, back on pause a bit. Alright, here we go. Alright, just took mine there. I think I got out around 77, so I'm up 538. Got out at 75. A pretty good fill. So made $128 right there. And man, look at this IDCC. Went up to 22. This thing is crazy. Looks like it's gonna sell off probably here for the rest of the day, so I ain't gonna play with this one anymore. Man, almost got to 23 high, 22.78. Unbelievable. This thing's a beast. I'm gonna see how it reacts though to this on this pullback here, and I might enter for a quick scalp. So be back with another trade, guys. I'm gonna try to bid into it. 2,000 shares at 21.85, and I'll update you guys and let you know if I get hit on it. Alright, looks like I pretty much missed the pop. If it comes back down from here, this is not something that I would want to be in. So I think I missed out on it. So I'm gonna cancel out. I'm not gonna chase it. So I'm gonna look to trade a different one. I just sold short on this ANF. Not such a great fill, but looks like probably going to lows. Oh, that's what I would like to see. Let's see actually how low can we actually go here. Just 1,000 short, so not really betting the farm. I'd like to see this go pretty soon. If not, I'm gonna get stopped out here. I'll be back to update this. Alright, looks like it may break through here to 31. Alright, it did. Let's see what the traders are doing. Still a lot of red on that. Time and sales. Gonna cover 500 right here just to lock in profits. I'm up 618. And if it breaks 32 back into 32, I'm gonna cover the rest here. So I'll be back to update. Alright, just came back to 32, so cover the rest. I'm up 676 and made $138 right there. Quick little scalp. Alright, on to the next trade. Alright, just picked up 2,000 shares of the COH. Don't like my fill too much, but you know, have to live with it. And I'm playing this. So it looks like the selling has ceased just a bit. It's been upgraded from neutral to buy today. Stochastics are oversold. May start to point upwards. So that's pretty much how I'm playing it. And if it goes to, if it gets around the lows, it's pretty much my stop out, or even this 27.37 mark. So I'll stop myself out. So be back to update this. This should turn out well. Alright, threw my stop loss out there, so if I get hit, it gets hit. If not, then this should turn out well. Anyway, back on pause, guys. Let's see what happens here. I'm pretty much basing my stop as a bar reversal on the previous candle. So I figure, you know, I don't think the market makers are going to gun to that